Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. Let's start off with cocoa powder. You want to use a really nice dark one. This one I recommend, I really like this, and you can grab this in supermarkets really easily. We want to mix the cocoa powder together with some of our milk, and that will then create a nice paste. So I'm using whole milk here, and you're going to need around a litre. Just put a small amount of that milk into the cocoa and then give that a good mix. And just keep mixing until you've got a nice smooth paste. It's one of those ones where you've got to be a bit patient. We're getting there. We're getting there. We might need a little bit more milk. That is now smelling really, really nice. So rich and chocolatey. Oh, and you cannot beat a homemade hot chocolate like this. Great. So that is all combined. Just scrape all of that chocolate paste and get that into your Ninja. Now we're going to be making this on slow cook, so you can use any slow cooker for this. But I do love the Ninja Foodi for this. It's perfect. The Ninja Foodi cooks really slow and low. So I really don't have to worry about things overcooking in here. Now we want to add all of our other ingredients. So whole milk goes in, single cream, because it's Christmas and it's going to taste so nice. Some vanilla extract. I really like this one. I often buy this. It's very good. Let's give this a good stir to try and combine that paste that we've got in there into our milk. If you've got one, then use a silicone whisk because that's going to be even better just to do that quickly. So mix that in. As it slow cooks, it will be fine anyway, but definitely make your paste. Don't skip that part because I find if you do skip that and you think you're being clever and can just kind of put the cocoa powder in, it does go a little bit lumpy. And we don't want that. We want a beautiful, smooth hot chocolate. There you go. That's looking great. Just to mention as well, this is a vanilla extract and you do want to use extract, not essence. And the reason for that is the extract is natural, it's stronger in flavour, it's purer, it's just going to be so much better in this recipe. And my final ingredient is some milk chocolate. I've just broken that up in the packet into small little pieces because it's just going to melt that bit quicker like that. So get that in. There you go. Milk chocolate is in. And now all we're going to do is get this into slow cook. Right, so let's select slow cook. I like to cook mine on high. And if you want to make this into a boozy hot chocolate, then you just need to add in your favourite tipple, but do that right at the end. This hot chocolate is so, so good. It's absolutely delicious and worth those calories because It's probably the best hot chocolate that you can make at home. I added some cream on top of mine with a few little mini marshmallows and a little sprinkling of flake. And like I said, you can definitely put a bit of booze in here as well. Enjoy.